Särkiniementie 9 staircase in Vattuniemi, Halonnes, Lauttasaari, Drumsö, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. This is the red one in this building. The staircases F and E have an orange and a blue one. Let's see what other colors we'll find here in the staircases A, B and C. And there are 7 floors here. But it says also this one that you can get to the machine room to the staircase here. For this elevator as well. Maybe it's one common one for all 3 in this part of it. And it was built in 1973, turned 45 years old in 2018, and the serial number is VS3248. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021, and it's got 7 floors, and the capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. It's very interesting that they're different colors.
Yeah.
That's why we had to get here. It's not that usual.
Yeah.
Usually they like the same color in each of the staircases, or they have like the wooden panels.
Yeah.
But here they're different in color. Very colorful building.
Yeah.
Even though it looks very grey and gloomy outside.
Yeah.
But inside it's amazing.
Inspected by QA and maintained by Schiller.
I have an idea. I could do a playlist for this. The colorful building in Vattuniemi, Lauttasaari.
Yeah.
Yeah, because of this. I could do it. For a playlist.
Yeah.
Because it's colorful on the inside.
Yeah.
So let's also see what the colors we will find in these things. C, B and A. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.